folks, MacT, and I'm back, and guess who I'm going to drive? We're going to do an engine check on the VCTs and a few other PIDs to see how the engine is running, what the timing's like in comparison to my Blueberry. And this, of course, is Lou. And we're going to go ahead and do a test run with her and see what's going on, because I am here with both edges. That's right. Lulu Bell on the right and Blueberry on the left. I'm going to go for a test drive after this water pump and engine rebuild, and we're going to do the Forscan Lite, check the VCTs, how they're reacting, and look for errors in differences between Blueberry and Lou with a rebuilt front end on the engine. So right now we're just checking everything. No lights have been on. We're just double checking everything. And this, of course, is the inside of Lou. And all I can say is it smells like a girl's car now. I'm not sure if I agree with that, but it's what it smells like. And then I won't look at the back because Hannah's got all sorts of stuff in the back. We won't embarrass her too much. But anyway, we're going to go for a ride here and see what we can get out of Lulu Bell. This is the engine running good. We're just double checking the coolant to make sure that it is measuring properly. And looks like Jeff even threw a new motor mount on there. Holy cow, got everything. Torque mount, transmission mount, new motor mount, new front engine rebuild, new VCTs, everything. Only thing we never changed was the injectors. So anyway, once we get going here, we'll take her out for a drive, starting with a cold start. Now let's go ahead and start Lulu Bell and see what we got. There we go. Looks like this is a nice little cold start. Got it running. There you go, a little bit of a rev. Man, Lulu Bell sounds great. So, holy cow. Man, this engine sounds good. Let me get the seat adjusted the way I want it. Alrighty. Let's see if Jeff is gonna go, and then we'll head out. Yep, Jeff's gonna come along. We'll go for a ride and see what we got going on. It's pretty cool. But we got the VCT exhaust, actual DC for the exhaust, difference, desired for intake, actual for intake, and then the DC and the difference. So pretty much we're going to go out. We're going to do a couple of some in-town runs, and then we're going to go out and do some wide open throttles in comparison. So we'll see what we got going on. Camera still works. Holy cow. This is the original camera of this car.
Yeah, about everything.
That's the amazing thing about this. I can actually feel. Oh, yes. That rumble. That rumble's always good. She sounds different than even Blueberry does.
Really?
Oh yes. she's got her. Lulu Bell's got her own unique sound. But then again, who knows? Maybe the mufflers are all rusted out.
So you put the same modifications on, though, didn't you?
Yeah.
Wow.
It just sounds different.
Huh.
But driving great.
Oh, yeah. Very nice.
About 20 mile an hour here.
There's Hannah.
I know she likes that rumble.
Yeah. Like, don't hurt my car.
What are they doing? So, yeah, see how the exhaust and everything shuts down when you take off the gas? But the intake has a different reaction in some ways, too. The intake actually adjusts more than the exhaust. The exhaust will shut down back to zero.
Yeah.
But the intake is what does a lot of the adjustments.
That's crazy.
So we're just, see how when I touch the gas just a little,
Yeah.
how the exhaust changes. Now the exhaust is also controlled by those springs, so it's got a lot of force pushing against it with the oil pressure. Oh, look at all these poor college students walking everywhere. There goes stop sign. Man, it's running good and adjusting good.
Ooh, somebody just got a ticket.
Parking ticket?
Probably speeding. I think that's the guy heading up the hill there now. I think he's,
Is that the police right there?
yeah.
Well, so I probably shouldn't.
I'm thanking. I don't know what else. Oh, you know what? That might be a mailman.
Oh, I was going to say, I probably shouldn't wide open throttle past the police here. It sort of ruins the plan.
I'd
Which way you want me to go?
go straight through the stop sign, but then take a left.
Should I stop?
I would stop
Oh, okay.
sometime because they have the right of way to turn.
I could have kept going. You said go
Yeah,
straight
I
through.
didn't say that. We go left here, and then we'll circle out and around. There's a little straight stretch there where I think you can.
Man, the exhaust note on Lou is so much better than Blueberry.
Oh, is that a cop? No. I mean, it could be some of the mufflers, you know, burned out too, but it has a nice tone.
My acceleration ain't from a dead stop. It's basically while we're doing, say, 50, 55. Then
Sure.
that helps the transmission last longer.
I'll say don't do a. Oh, there's my old mower. Don't do a Antonio.
Nah, it's hard on the cars.
Jeez.
A rolling acceleration's far easier on the transmission. So we're looking for the straightaway so I can floor this thing a few times. That up ahead or?
No, we'll get there.
Okay. Apparently Jeff knows where all the safe spots are.
Yeah.
But look at these. Look at the difference. The diff.
Mm-hmm.
Look how close that is. 0.62, 0.38. Look how close it is. See the diff ones?
Yeah.
Those are what is between the desired and the actual.
Wow.
And they're doing really good.
Here past the landfill. Probably a little burst from here to there if that's enough. Otherwise. At this stop sign, take a right. You'll have another place you can do it. Well, that sounded nice, didn't it?
Yeah. I wonder if Hannah does that.
I bet she doesn't.
You can tell her we put, you know, we tested. Tell him Lou does 112 mile an hour.
Oh, gosh.
Here we go. Wow. Up to 70. Running good. Good hard acceleration too. Does that mean we can use all of her gas up? She filled the tank.
Did she really?
Yes. I need to do more of these because she's got a full tank of gas.
You know, another interesting test would be a compression test on Lou versus Blueberry.
Yeah, I've been meaning to do that
Or,
on here.
Isn't your wife's like a super low mile one?
Well, hers is that 2019.
Right. How many miles are on hers?
Oh, 16,000.
Yeah, that'd be interesting to see what.
That's at EcoBoost.
Of course, you can probably look up from Ford and see what the compression is on hers.
Yeah.
And compare it to what actual is.
Now, the speed camera's up ahead, right?
To my knowledge, it's not. The only one we got is on the other end of Fayette.
Of course, you'd probably receive the ticket, though, wouldn't you?
Oh, on the speed camera?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. I won't do
My
that.
name's on the registration.
That'd be mean, though. This is good. You gotta. This was a good job. Good work on it. It's running. And the acceleration is just crazy on this. I dare say old Lou might be Blueberry.
Well, the transmission still feels nice.
Yeah. This thing could probably clean clock on Antonio again.
Oh,
sorry, Antonio, I
yeah.
had to bring you up.
No doubt.
We better do 45 because they got cameras here. You guys don't even have a stoplight in this town. You got speed cameras?
Yeah.
Who voted for that?
There must be a grant because a whole bunch of towns put them in the same time. Independence added 2 or 3 out of nowhere.
Yeah. Gotta generate revenue somehow.
Yeah. But then sometimes the police will sit up here and wait for people to go through the speed camera, and then they think they're safe, and then they accelerate, and then they get caught up here.
Double whammy?
Yeah.
Holy cow.
Well, they know the camera's there, so they slow down 35 past the camera, and they gun it. Well, then the police are up here. They get it.
Where is the camera at? Oh, right there?
No.
No, that ain't it.
No, it's down by our convenience store.
Oh, okay.
You can't go that way. That road's blocked off. They're blocked.
So we gotta turn right and then go
Probably
left.
turn right here is the best. Unless you want to go through town.
Whoops.
You can go straight. We'll just go on the highway and come back on the old 150.
Let me see what the coolant temp
Oh, yeah.
is on here. I can. Whoops. Okay. Got the ECT. And then I want to get the transmission. Let's see what those are running. Okay, engine coolant temp is 210 degrees.
Where are you looking?
Right there.
Oh, okay.
And, oh, that's the voltage. I got the voltage. Didn't want the voltage. I don't know why I picked the voltage instead. Now we got the volt temperature. So the transmission's running 158.
Oh, where's that one?
Right down here.
Okay.
That's pretty decent.
Oh, that's fine.
Just in town.
Yeah.
Engine coolant temp is it's the fans are running.
Yeah.
So that's keeping that down. That's at just about the temperature, but we're running around town, so it's going to be hovering, but it's not going up. So it's staying right where it needs to be because we have the AC on, the fans are running. Mm-hmm. So that's why it's staying there. On the highway, I bet you it drops. So,
well, and let's see, as I remember, that's the one part that's not OEM, is that thermostat I put in.
Okay. But
so
the fans...
If it's a 195, that's probably the close you're getting.
Yeah, the fans in this are original fans. Mm-hmm. So they got a lot of miles, but they hardly ever been used.
They work fine.
Yeah, so...
And you're right, they don't work on the highway.
Nope. So that's it, folks. I hope you enjoyed watching this and the comparison, but this is to prove to you that Lulu Belt is fixed and runs solid. What's coming up? You betcha. What do we got? What do we got? We got a water pump cut open. We're going to check it all out, and I'm going to explain how and why and what for, and the oil test results will definitely be something you want to watch on that video I did on this Ford Edge when the water pump failed, because I am going to answer all the questions on why the metals are there and show you exactly where those metals came from that water pump. So be ready for that video.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Go production.